Okay, Nika?
Ma'am, it's lyrical. Rivers.
Okay, very good. It is reverse. How about this? Okay, Joanne?
Lyrical, ma'am.
Okay, very good. It is lyrical. So did you enjoy the activity class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, based on the activity that we have done earlier class, what do you think is our topic? Any guess? Okay, Tega?
Elements of a story, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, in order to know our topic for today, let's have another activity. This activity is look to find the topic. So, it will help your mind and eyes. So, get a piece of paper, class, or a scratch paper. This is where we are going to Lian, can you read?
Direction. Arrange the ruffled letter given to produce a single word and the word that will appear will be our topic.
So you are going to look what our topic for today. So you are going to look at the rumbled letters in this. Clue will help you to find our topic. So you can start now, class. So the first letter is located on the middle of the letters A and O. Then the next letter is located either on the left side of B or on the right side of F. Then count the letters up to 33rd letter. Then lastly, to complete or to para mabuo ninyo yung topic natin is the last three letters are located between the letters S and F. Did you find class?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, so take your time.
I get it, ma'am.
Okay, Jasmine, what did you find?
It's poetry, ma'am.
Okay, so it's poetry. So our lesson for today is all about poetry. And this is our objectives for our new lesson. Siti, can you read?
Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to define poetry. Enumerate the elements of poetry. Write a 3 to 4 stanzas of poem.
Okay, so before we move on to the parts and types of poetry, let's define poetry first. Who wants to read? Okay, Joanne.
Poetry. Poetry is where we express our feelings, thoughts, and ideas. Through poetry also, we tell our story, our experiences, and give our readers the sense of wonder.
Okay, so using poetry, we can express our feelings and thoughts. So through poetry also we tell our story. Did you understand, class?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That's good. So one of the example of poetry is All Things Bright and Beautiful by Little Stains. Who wants to give another example of poetry? Okay, Nika.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is another example of poetry. Very good. So we have plenty of poems here in the Philippines, but first let us discuss the part of it. So parts of poem. Line. So the first part of poem is line. So what comes to your mind when you hear line? Okay, Nika.
Ano, ma'am? Compose version ng one sentence.
Okay, very good. So let's see. Jasmine, can you read?
Line. Lines in poems are groups of words arranged into rows.
Okay, so it is a group of words that arrange into rows. So for example, all things bright and beautiful. Is it line, class, or not?
Line, ma'am.
Okay, so we consider it as a line because it consists Nika, can you read our example?
Today, on your birthday, consider your luck. You could have been born as a pig, cow, or dog.
Okay, today on your birthday is considered as one line, and consider your luck is two line. You could have been born is a three line. So this line, four lines is called stanza. Do you understand, class? Yes, ma'am. Okay, very good. So let's proceed to the last part of poem. Right, who wants to read? Okay, Deya.
One, it is a repetition of sounds at the end of or within the line.
Okay, so from the word repetition, of the repetition, so it means it is repeat. So the word at the end of the line is repeat or same sound. For example, Nika, can you read our example?
One crow knocking snow, spring is waiting.
Is there a rhyming words, Nika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the rhyming words in the stanza?
Crow and snow.
Okay, very good. So crow and snow. So is there any question, class?
None.
If none, may I ask the whole class to recite what are the parts of poem? Okay, what are the parts of poem? Okay, Jasmine.
The parts of poem are lines,
group 1. You can write here your group 3. Okay, you can start now, class. So after you complete the task, class, or if you are done, choose one representative to present your finished task to in front. Okay. We're done, ma'am. Okay, group 1, you can present your finished activity, and then followed by group 2, group 3, group 4.
Fog. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city, on silent hunches and then moves on.
Okay, very good, group 1. So, bigyan niyo ng palakpak yung group 1. Yung kanilang ginawa is reverse poem. Then, yung title ng kanilang poem is Hug. Okay, group 2, can you present your finished activity?
Lyrical poem. This year's love. It takes something more this time. The sweet, sweet lies. Before I open up my arms will fall. Losing all control, every dream inside my soul. And when it kissed me on that midnight street, swept me off my feet, singing in this life so sweet.
Okay, so, very good, group 2. Bigyan niyo ng palakpak yung group 2. Yung ginawa nila is lyrical poem titled of This Year's Love. Okay, how about the group 3?
Mima,
Okay, present your activity in front.
I will present the haiku poem. Butterflies. Butterflies are cool. The big, huge green fog. They fly up so high.
Okay, so, bigyan niyo ng palakpak yung group 3. Okay, so group 4.
So I'm going to present acrostic poetry and yung word po na ginamit ko dito ma'am is friends. And forever look out for each other or really listen when I have a problem. I include me in their games, eat their lunch with me in the dinner hall, and never make me feel sad. They definitely help me when I am hurt. And share their toys whenever we play.
Okay, so, bigyan niyo ng palakpak yung group 4 at maging ninyo sarili. Bigyan niyo ng barangay. Kaya dahil lahat kayo ay nakipag, tulungan at nag-participate sa ating ginawang group activity. So now, let's proceed. So, let us see if you really listen in our class discussion for today. So, let me ask you what you have learned from our lesson. So, first, what is poetry? Jasmine? What is poetry?
I don't know, Mom.
How about the others? Okay, Teya.
Poetry has a rhyming words.
Okay, very good. The poetry has a rhyming word. So, what are the parts of poems? Okay, Lian.
Line and stanza.
Okay, line, stanza, and rhyme. Okay, very good. How about the types of poem? Okay, Nika.